Make you express your thoughts. I go express my thoughts. I go express my thoughts. Make you express your thoughts. I go express my thoughts.
Hello, everybody, and welcome to another Wyattsdot production edition of Thoughts Expressed. I am your host, Mimi Bani, and today I'm here with
Aziza.
Our new upcoming artist. Go ahead, Victor.
This is my first time here, so this is Victor.
Welcome, Victor. It's good to have you.
Nanika Jerison.
Kofi K.
Yes, another artist we have on here today. We have a full house. I hope everybody's doing good. If you want to track us, all you have to do is follow us on Wyattsdot production, just Wyattsdot on all social media platforms. And at any point, if you want to join the conversation, make sure you scan that QR code or call that number. We would love to hear from you. If you would also like to be part of the team, just inbox us at Wyattsdot on all social media platforms. Let's get right into it. So today we're talking about AI. I mean, social media, I feel like you can't go 3, 4, 5 scrolls without seeing an AI generated video or people talking about AI. It's getting ridiculous. It's taking over. It is what it is. It's the future. So we're here to talk about it. Past even just like the AI simulations and videos that we've been seeing ChatGPT has been a huge thing the past couple of years, and we're moving further into that technological advancement. We're seeing AI agents now where you can automate them to do your task and stuff for you. So my question is to open up, like, what's the part of AI? Have you used any automated assistants lately? Like, where are you with your usage in AI, I would say?
AI?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's my best friend. Like,
It's your best friend?
Your best friend?
bro. Bro, back in school, bro, like before, you know what I'm saying? You teach you everything, you used to use AI. Now we have ChatGPT.
I mean, no, okay. Like, what did you used to use before ChatGPT?
ChatGPT?
Yeah.
So actually, right?
Like, Munyatobas.
Yeah.
What is going on?
I used to use actually like just read and write, but now just plug everything like ChatGPT. But before AI, I feel like AI is a double-edged sword. Like, it's a good thing and a bad thing. Like, if you look right now, there's this was called Gemini app or whatever.
Yeah, there's a
you
Gemini.
Could make a random. You could forge anything. You could literally just type anything. And you feel me? So I feel
Right.
Like, I don't
So
know.
your
That's your best friend?
Best friend, though. I be saying, hey Siri,
Hey, chat.
what should I do today? Okay, bro, create a schedule for me today, Monday to Friday.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you actually follow that schedule?
You know, it's crazy. Even my gym's routine is literally
is in there.
Yeah, I wanna hear from him.
Yeah, what's your experience with AI?
I want to hear from me saying.
We all want to hear from you. I want to hear from everybody. So
wait, please, if whoever's speaking Tree, can somebody translate? Because
don't worry, we're not speaking Tree. Please limit the Tree, guys.
Nigerian here.
Bro, you
my fellow Nigerians watching. All the fellow Nigerians watching, I'm representing you. Continue.
My daily use of AI is it's really good to help me pass most of my classes. So I'll say ChatGPT is really helpful. Not that I wasn't studying, but it's just
It looks like it.
No, like sometimes
it helps. It just helps. It's like an assistant, honestly. Like you have
He
your
is
Alexa.
married to AI.
He's married, so we have a best friend. We have a husband.
Yes.
It's like how you have Alexa and you have Siri, you have all of that. It's just my assistant in helping me stuff. I write code.
It's just your sister?
Assistant.
I feel like even the use of Siri and Alexa has like decreased since like chat and stuff came out.
Yeah,
but that just might be an opinion.
Yeah.
So Mia,
Yeah.
one other time I was upstairs and Nana Kojo was downstairs and I could hear her voice. I could hear his voice like talking. I was like,
Who's he talking?
Who is he talking to? So I came back down and this guy was talking to chat.
Yeah, usually I have a full conversation with
chat.
ChatGPT. Yeah.
You know what? And she's like, yeah, I'm here. Go ahead.
Okay, no,
but why
No,
when you have people upstairs, like, were you trying to just like get information, or were you just having a conversation?
Oh, no,
He was having conversation.
No. You keep
Do you ever use it just for like casual conversations?
If I'm if I need ideas, I'll go to it, but not that I'm bored.
I don't.
Like you bored,
I don't think
someone to
you
talk.
needed ideas though.
Oh no, I have people.
It's like,
man.
Hey,
were you here?
Yeah,
I was upstairs.
Oh boy.
Hey, chat.
You just heard and you're assuming.
I came back down to look at what he was doing because I was confused. I was like, hey, chat. And
hey, that's crazy.
AI would be like, hi, Yeah,
But
I understand you.
Okay. Okay, no. I will back him up. You remember back in the time, like when AI first started, there was like what was it called? If you put like an accent, you want the AI to talk to you in.
Mm.
Yeah.
People were doing that.
Yeah.
I did that too. Like we say AI talk to me in pidgin or Nigerian.
Yeah, literally.
Like,
yeah.
it was
Oh,
fun.
did you ever try the?
Oh, I did it like both
the,
times.
the Indian one, the Indian.
Okay, I
one.
never did it.
Okay,
No.
okay.
Now you
You
took
trying
it.
to-
I did the,
I'm just
I did
asking.
the what they call it, Ebonic, like the black
Mhm,
version.
like-
I did Jamaican, I did Nigerian, I did Ghanaian. So
Oh.
it was vibes.
So you never tried the Indian one?
What would I do? Why would I talk like that?
You're about to get us canceled. No, do you use AI at all? Like
Same,
anything
same
that you
for homework.
for homework and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Okay. And I know like this is like basic little things that we use it for, but we like people, there are AI being used to like run calendars, like order groceries, like
Mhm.
really automate stuff. So the question is like, what everyday task would you gladly hand over to an AI agent for them to, meaning like you don't, after you put in everything that you need, it's something that it runs continuously by
I
itself.
don't
Like you
trust
you
AI.
wouldn't need it to do, you wouldn't need to put in anything after that. So what task would you gladly hand over? And I'm glad you say you don't trust it,
Yeah.
which
I
is
use it, but I don't trust it.
That makes no sense.
That
Why you
exactly,
Because
exactly.
listen, the reason why I use it because when I'm locked up and I can't find any, just like recently, I just dropped a song called Basima, right?
Okay.
And it was
Stream,
too late
stream,
for me to it was too late for me to come up with a cover art. So I just went to
Make a quick
Chat
one real quick.
GPT and I
What you're
just
saying.
like gave him my input and I got something out of it. So if you look at the current cover art, is my idea from Chat GPT.
Okay, but
you
wait,
know?
let me ask you a
But
question.
the reason why I don't trust it is because I don't know how the database is being run.
Right.
You know, I don't know who controls it. I don't know what they keep and what they don't keep. So I'm like, because I've seen some couple of artists, they'll come like, hey, you know, like this AI can write you this music. Don't worry, you post that music and the next minute you hear that music in somebody
else's
So
prompt.
I don't really trust it when it comes to data wise. But when I'm locked up and I need help and I feel like I can manipulate that and use that in a way it's gonna be my own art, then I go that way. Like,
So there's no task that you would just gladly hand over for an
not
AI agent
completely because I feel like
to take
it's
over.
it's still new in the system. That's how I say it. I feel like it's still new in the system and needs to be monitored. So I cannot like handle everything over. You guys are tech, you know what I'm talking about.
Yes. What about you?
For me, I mean, I see what you're saying, but I feel like for me, for example,
Mhm.
like I said, my gym schedule, like when I first, because I didn't know what to do with like
Yeah.
what lift,
What to
what
do.
weights, you know what I'm saying?
Mhm.
So I asked it, like for my type of my build, what would you recommend?
Mhm.
And it said like if you lift this for so amount of reps, so days, like you said, I didn't know that, but like you said, if you type it in how you want it to be,
Yeah.
it will schedule it for you.
When you manipulate it. yeah.
Exactly.
Mhm.
But the data part is like, that's if you're trying to get complex. Like you're trying to be like, oh, handle my bankings or whatever, then yeah, you put your numbers, you put your password, whatever. But if it's little tasks like make my food schedule for the week, that's normal. Like what?
Right.
Yeah,
Those are
but
stuff that you would gladly
Exactly. Little
hand over.
things like that.
so you know how you be talking about something, then the next minute you pick up your phone, that thing pops up on your feeds or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
It's been listening.
yeah,
Yeah.
that is what I'm saying. I don't trust it.
I
that
don't.
way.
I don't.
Well, it's
That
not
one-
really,
that-
it's
that's
not-
the
it's
whole-
not listening. It's getting your
It's
set.
an algorithm.
Yeah, it's
what
an
you search
algorithm.
up-
I
It's
mean,
not-
but
it's
I
not
think
listening.
that's what people just call it listening.
Yeah, it's not.
But
So-
it's obviously we know they're not actually listening to us. They're just literally using all the data that
That
you
you
input.
do.
Yeah.
But that's the
Exactly.
same thing as
So-
what he's talking about. Though
so-
they are using the data that you input
Yeah.
to make like they're using AI agents to pull that information.
and define you.
Yeah, and you know push market, like you know push products and stuff to you. So they're not really listening. But that's basically what he's saying.
That makes sense. But let me ask you a question.
Mhm.
The video you said, sorry, I'm gonna cut.
No,
The
you're
video,
good.
you said you made like a album cover,
Cover art.
cover
yeah.
art, right? The song is doing good right now, right?
Yeah.
So if you never had that inspiration from AI, you had the idea, yes,
Mhm.
but you couldn't construct it quick. That's why I say AI is like is like I said, it's a double-edged sword. You could use it. It depends on who's using it.
Mhm.
Right.
If you use it the way you want to use it, it will do good.
Mhm.
But if you use it in a way that like you want to make it complex or make it overwhelming, then it will get there. But like I said, I feel like you don't judge AI just because of how you look at it. Like technology, yeah, a lot of cars is going technology. Somebody could hack into it, boom, bada boom. But also again, it's like AI is helping everybody do it. Like look at it for like lights. Let's say street lights.
Mhm.
That's AI.
Yeah.
Let's be honest.
Mhm.
Because sometimes it's not like somebody's watching it 24/7, green, red. It's like if you go to the, it has like
It's
a sensor.
programmed.
No,
Yeah.
yeah, it's programmed. It's not really AI by
But
space.
no. It's
It has AI.
it has a little bit
sensors
because
in
think
it.
about it. If you
Yeah,
go to
sometimes.
like nighttime when there's nobody there, it's
Mhm.
gonna be red for a while.
Yeah.
Like, But if you
So
go close to
it
this
picks
sensor,
up the
exactly.
cars, the number of cars, and
No, I'm
all,
saying
and
so
scan
it picks up like your data. Like, okay, look, this movement right here.
Mhm.
That's data. That's numbers. All you
Yeah.
feel me?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that's why I feel like yes, it's bad, but also it's like it's really, really, really helpful in mankind.
It is. It is. I'm not saying it's not. I like at the end of the day, I was able to have my cover art. But mind
it's
you,
doing good.
if I didn't know anything about AI, I was still gonna use Photoshop and make the work done.
Mhm.
You know. But I'm just
Photoshop 2 got AI in it.
I know.
He's saying without it.
Like you actually
No.
Fight him.
you actually
Without
go-
ChatGPT. No. Photoshop is damn near AI, bro.
How?
Listen.
You're doing everything yourself on Photoshop. No, I've never used Photoshop. I don't really know. But
Yeah.
aren't you like really?
Photoshop is kind
You are
I'm
How
a-
is the AI?
Yeah.
Listen.
Are you not like
Now
into
they
it?
have the AI features in it, but before
Yeah, it used to
you
be
doing
everything, doing
the
everything.
traditional way. That's what I'm used to. So.
Yeah.
And I'm old enough, so
Yeah, when you need.
Okay.
Hey,
What about you guys? What task
Mine-
would you
Mine
gladly hand
will, I'll
over?
go through biomed. It's basically trying to replicate myself so I wouldn't work.
Mm.
I'll have
Oh,
it done.
you would trust AI to replicate yourself?
Yeah.
Wow.
Hey.
That's actually that's
Yeah.
a bad thing.
yeah, because no way.
I'm in twice swim,
Listen,
boga.
some people are lazy naturally. So
Real. I mean, we live in America.
I'm
so-
sorry, go ahead. You can be
Continue.
lazy as much as you want.
Replicate myself
Okay.
and literally copy my whole genes into a whole person.
Hey.
Nah,
Okay.
Cyber
Yeah,
clone.
continue.
Make
Check
a
out
whole
what-
clone
Uh-huh.
and
2.1.
it would literally do the work tax for me. That's all. So
So-
it's gonna do my 9 to 5, and then when it comes home,
so
Oh,
now
so
you
it'll make
you-
the money for
so-
you,
Yeah.
and then
do
you
you
just
agree
enjoy
with me
your
when I
life.
said AI is like
His
a
girlfriend
wife?
is yeah.
it's basically I'm not gonna be.
I mean, like I
working the
said-
9 to 5. I'll just be doing whatever, but it's just gonna take over the 9 to 5.
Hi, Max Webler. Max Webler said, "Bro wants to be Terminator."
So that's what I would be
Terminator is
saying.
actually saying. I mean, you technically could do that this generation.
I'd be like, Terminator.
I did.
Yeah, like AI is good. Don't get me wrong, it's good, but also just like I said, it's too early for me. You know,
Nah, facts.
it's and everything is moving so fast. Like today, you wake up and it's like, oh, have you heard something called Copilot? And like, what is that? Then you have to go and figure it out. The next day you wake up, it's like, oh, we have this. So it's like I actually understand it. AI is really good, right? It's a good resource. But what I'm saying is that it is happening too fast to
It's
the point
scary.
where it's like it's scary. It's like
Mm.
now I
But
can just use AI to undress you right now.
No, I mean yeah, true,
That's
but
so
I
think-
why you looked at me? You wanna?
no.
no.
I mean everything is how you use it.
Wait.
That's all.
Yeah, so let me finish my point. So
He
because
wants to address me, so.
shut the fuck up, bro. because it's new, right?
Mhm.
We don't really have a lot of rules and regulations.
There are though.
Not like a lot. That's what I'm saying. So it's wrong for you to use AI to undress somebody.
I don't think right now there's anyone that
Oh no,
there is one.
Surprise. You ever remember back?
You'll
in
be
the day?
surprised.
Because I know, like the ones I know of, there's huge regulation. You can't even. do
If
that.
I take a
like
picture,
to even because one time I was trying to make a.
He's talking from experience. Listen to
I'm
me.
not.
I was trying to even like use
I'm not
the
doing
cartoon Jessica Rabbit
Mhm.
like with the big boobs. I was trying to like make a replica of myself like her, and it wouldn't even let me to do
Nah,
that.
You remember back in the day? I don't know if you guys really used to be on TikTok back. You know, like that Silento or Silhouette challenge or whatever.
Mhm.
Put your hands on my. You know, back then when they put like the
The red screen and people.
There were people that are literally like going to this edit app to. So people literally do the whole
Mm.
tutorial. You go and put the
Oh.
brightness,
Mhm.
saturation down, the contracts.
Yeah.
At least that was real work. You know, they didn't go. At least they didn't go to AI. That was real handwork that they went to go do.
Listen,
AI is really
things
controlled. Though.
happen.
AI
Yeah.
is really controlled.
It is.
Look at it right now. People can make a random video of like somebody like what's that Sora AI or whatever it's called.
Mm-hmm.
You could look type
Yeah,
something.
Sora.
You see babies like they say snow in Ghana. Since when is this?
Yeah.
You see
No,
babies.
but I think that's harmless though. Like that's yeah. But he's saying like when it gets to like the really nitty, like you know, making somebody, you definitely can't do. I don't think you
Nothing
can do
about it.
nothing like that on any of the AI platforms.
It's
you
regulated,
can.
but you can.
If you really find it.
If you were a coder, bro, you.
Yeah, unless you create your own. Max Webler said like deep fakes.
Yeah.
Mm.
The fakes is
Deepfakes is
AI.
a good one too.
Were you saying something?
Oh yeah. I was still going back to it because like they cut me off. You know,
Oh, sorry, sir.
he doesn't respect me. So
Sorry, sir.
yeah. So back to what I was saying. I think it's too early and everything is going too fast. and now we have to run to chase it. We have to actually learn to match up. And most of us, like I was saying, that now is doing good on that, but not me.
That's not your speed.
Yes. So I feel like
No, that's real.
we-
That's real.
you are married to AI. Shut up. So I feel like we need more time with it. We need more time with it because I've seen a lot of people that they'll be at work and it's just like if you work at a troubleshoot companies, most of the time it's like there are situations where you don't really like know, like you have to get an idea of it.
Yeah.
And you just go co-piloting and typing or something else, then you get a brief and idea of exactly what it is. At that point, that resource is really good. Like it's really good.
Yeah.
Right.
And we're gonna get to the benefits in
okay,
just a second.
okay.
You're
Then
good.
go ahead.
But
what about me?
Oh yeah, go ahead. Sorry, I'm sorry. Go ahead.
So are you?
That's actually a tough nickname though.
Fashionista.
Lord.
Godwin.
So I use AI to create daily routines from like the least important thing that I have to do for the day to the most important thing, so that I don't have to waste so much time on the least important thing that I have to do.
Yeah.
And so then talking about coffee, right? I have a question for
Hey,
you.
it is true.
As a musician, right? You using cover AI to do your what's it called? Cover art. Okay. You felt like it's gonna save you enough time, right? So that's why you used it
And
to do
money.
it.
Wait, let her spit. I quite go, Jimmy. Go ahead.
What did he say?
And so then why wouldn't you use your own time to do it? But you're trusting AI to do it for you. But like before, you were saying that what is it called? Kojo is married to AI, whatever. So why are you trusting AI to do that for you? But you're saying that, like in some way, you're saying, oh, it's like you're too married to the AI, so like it's not beneficial. That's what to me I think about what you're saying. So can you explain?
Okay,
yourself
so I have over 11 songs out. And
Period.
the first time I've used AI is this recent one. And as I was saying earlier, I was locked up and the time frame was not
What do you
favorable.
mean locked up? Like prison?
The time-
Oh.
I was locked up.
Won't
with-
let me out. I'm
don't know.
locked up. Sorry.
First he said locked out and he said locked up, so I don't know. Jesus. I don't know. I don't know. Bro.
with a time frame and everything because I think we posted a snippet of the song out there, right? And a lot of people already started a challenge with it. So we were actually like squeezed and like beat up to bring the song out. So at that point we were like, okay, so Summit have been making my cover art since, but because of the time frame, I was like, no, I cannot go to him because it's an art. It comes with a lot of creativity, a lot of time. Sometimes you do it, you go back to it. So if you want it to be authentic, you have to actually sit down
and do it
and
yourself.
do it yourself.
Okay.
But the main reason why I used AI, and I didn't use AI fully and entirely. I actually
So you still
manipulated
worked on it.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's like I picked something out of it, I duplicate something, did the duplication on there, pick it up, and added the art to it. Yeah.
Okay, we have a couple comments here. Max Webler says, troubleshoot workers, we D. Hey. Stephen Asari said, I think AI is a brilliant achievement in the history of mankind. Whether it's dangerous or beneficial depends entirely on how it is implemented and used. I agree. And Max Webler also says, shout out to Rogue Wagner, cover artist. Yes, shout out to you. So my question, do you think these small agents, these AI agents, are training us to give up a more control gradually? Because every time you input something, especially when you're putting like your day-to-day or like your cover art, it's like little things that you don't think matters. But in a way, like, do you feel like they're training us to gradually give up more control over like our day-to-day and like just little things? You know what I'm saying? Like your ability to create things on your own.
I mean, facts. Like you said.
Because you might think, it's just one time. But then the next time you're gonna come back. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna come back next time. And then next time you're gonna come back. And then next thing you know, you're downstairs having the conversation. Because I'm sure when he started, he was just like, oh, I'm just seeing what's up.
Yeah.
Let me just,
Because remember Brenda asked you to help me with the flyer.
Yeah, the flyers.
Right? It took us like a cool amount of time.
Yeah.
Like you said, type in AI. Because you already know like this is easy. And like you said, if you get this out the way, you have more time to do other things.
Right.
So it's like, if I know like I could get this done in less than 5 minutes, why would I want to waste my time
On.
on something that will take me more than 5 minutes? Or take me up to at least 5 hours. So just for me to like, I don't like it, restart it again. AI be like, oh, take the black out, put the red in. Simple. And it's
True.
literally
To save
for
you
me, so
time.
like,
and
If
money.
you really understand how creativity works and how the art works, you will know when something is authentic and something is not.
I mean, yeah, that's true.
so
But
sometimes you might have the dream and you want to bring the dream to life, and AI cannot do that.
Yeah, for sure. For sure.
Definitely. But that's for somebody that has a more, like you said, more creativity mindset. If it's a everyday day, like the question of a day-to-day life.
Mhm.
If I know like I just want to go and eat rice and stew and I don't know how to make it, AI, ChatGPT, how do you put egg first? Oh, sorry. You put rice.
Wow. I see what you did there. I see what you did there.
But you know what I'm saying?
Yeah, because sometimes, don't get me wrong, these AI cover art is also relatable because we are in the generation of the Gen Zs. So a lot of people also relate to it more.
Yeah.
But if you want good artwork with your creativity and your style, you have to actually
Sit down and lock in.
work. Yeah.
Which is a interesting thing that you bring up, because I feel like in the beginning, the Gen Zs like us now, we were all in favor of like the AI. We wanted to see it, but it's gradually changing to seeing as like, you're being lazy, bro. And I relate that to Nicki Minaj's her recent album that she put out. When she first put out that album, everybody was like, oh, this lady really is using AI for all her stuff. But now that she's working on bringing out another album, she posted like 1 or 2 pictures with AI, and like they were literally grilling her because they were like, go to the studio and go take some pictures. You're lazy. You know what I'm saying? So I think there is being a shift when it comes to that as well. Max Webler said we're becoming lazy day by day.
That's real.
And he said gradually we lose our ability to do certain things or tasks that were easy to do. So let's get into the benefits. I feel like we've been crashing. Let's get into the benefits. What's one part of AI that feels like a blessing to you?
If
I was gonna say that.
if you stuck on an idea,
Don't mind them, okay?
I said,
Kofi, give him a-
no, can you homework can
Jano.
If you are stuck on,
He
If
said he
you're
helps
stuck
him with
on-
his homework.
Oh
Yeah.
if you're stuck on an idea,
Yeah,
it can help you.
With AI
That's
though.
with clarity.
Yeah,
Okay, so that's the part that's a blessing to you.
yeah.
Homework. That was my homework.
You know what? It's like I was doing everything the hard way because as I said, I was used to the traditional way. So I would just like sit down, crack my brains and try to learn so hard just to be able to do the homework. So one time I was like actually struggling. Then this guy walked in and was like, "Hey, I got a wife who can help you."
Bruh,
So-
I don't think he said I got a
I
wife.
didn't even say.
how much was bride price?
I didn't
So
even see that.
I think I was
Was it Bitcoins?
I was supposed to write this essay, right? And it was killing
chips,
me.
bro, chips.
So
How many
He-
pages?
how many pages was the essay?
Okay.
I don't remember.
So wow.
So this guy just like copy, paste everything, chat GPT.
But you don't just.
One changing name.
No.
Yeah,
Yeah,
listen.
Wait.
After he did paste, he went through it. I
Oh,
was
okay.
like,
He proofread. Okay.
okay. I was like,
Okay, yeah.
bro, I was just gonna put it in
And just press
and just paste it and fill the class.
Wow.
But he went like he was like, oh no. I was like, oh. Then after that, I was like, I think I can make that my
You know,
side
one of
chick
my
for-
friends did
for-
that. Yeah,
school.
because she like wasn't used to using AI and like
Nah, they'll
she's in a
flag
medical
you.
field, so she just used it one time and she didn't go through, so she didn't see that the references when especially ChatGPT, if you
Oh,
use
to
it
give
to
you
link,
source.
it would literally make up sources. Like it would straight just make up websites.
He is a pro.
And she
He is a
didn't
pro.
know, and she submitted that, and she had to rewrite that whole paper
Correction.
by herself. So I was like,
Oh.
you might as well have written it by yourself in the first place.
I tried that though, but he's a pro.
Yeah, you
What
just
about you
need
guys?
to
What
know how
parts
to
feel like
talk
a
to it.
blessing? Yeah.
Oh, me homework. I already.
Oh,
said.
homework. Yeah, Victor.
I don't know. I use AI. Well, I don't use AI per se every day, but I mean, I guess creating schedules that I can do to day-to-day life. You feel me? So like sometimes I'm like, I don't know what to do today. My brain is blank. I'm like, what should I do today? From da. List what I gotta do then. I just say
Okay.
arranging schedule. So I don't know. Something like that, I guess.
Me, I try to use my brain like so. I don't really use AI. I just try to think sometimes.
Period.
It's okay. Leave the thinking.
Use your brain. Use your brain.
We'll leave the thinking.
When it comes
That doesn't
to
mean that doesn't think. He actually.
oh yeah, when it comes to like productivity, do you feel like people are using are getting quote unquote getting more done because they're using AI, or they're just feeling productive? Because if you had a to-do list and you use AI, especially when it comes to like homework and stuff like that, to knock out, like, are you still getting that sense of I was productive today?
Oh yes,
I mean,
it was
of course.
helpful.
Yeah, in some sense.
It was
How?
very helpful.
I didn't want it yet.
Mimi,
No, like, somebody did it for you.
Mimi, listen, you working 9 to 5.
Uh-huh.
You cannot fail that class.
Mind
so
you
working 9 to
doing
5.
work.
You need to pass that test quiz.
Yeah,
So
Like
AI,
I said, it
yes,
makes
and,
life easy. So
yeah, and listen, you still sit down and put in whatever you got to put in.
Exactly.
You don't just sit there and be like, "Oh, go do it for me."
yeah,
It's not a robot.
Yeah.
It's a robot in a way, but it's like you manipulate it.
Yeah.
So yeah, you still
Like
did the work.
Like I said before, I use AI to like make my routines, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't mean I'm not being productive. I am. It's just
You still run every
Yeah,
morning.
it's
I
still-
see you. Yeah.
But yeah, it's not showing me that I'm not productive. I'm still productive. It's just making.
No, I'm
me
talking about
use
with the
my-
automated tasks that you don't have to, like he said, making a cover art. You had it on your list to make a cover art today. You just put in AI and it made it for you in 2 seconds. How do you still feel productive after that if you didn't make it
wouldn't.
yourself?
Of course, you wouldn't.
That's what I'm talking about. Like
Oh,
the tasks that are
what's the-
automated, that it was like obviously like it makes a
Mimi,
list for you to run today.
I have a checklist. Today, cover art done. Boom, I'm done. I have
Homework and also I
done.
am out
Boom.
done.
I have
like
this done. Boom.
Order groceries and also I
like
am
that.
out done.
It's just-
And then in 5 seconds you feel productive.
it's just
Yeah.
the way
Wow.
the way you input the
Mhm.
text or the way you input it, the way you tell it.
That's
to
not
do
what
it.
I'm saying. I'm talking about the ones that are automated. Like it does stuff for you. Cover art, you put in 2 seconds, it's done. You didn't spend no time. But but in general, you're spending way less time on it than you would if you were
True.
making that thing
Of
from
course.
scratch.
True.
Yes.
True,
So
but like,
literally way less
it's
time.
all it's
Maybe
all
time
commands.
is money. Time is money.
Listen,
Don't waste that
Maybe
time.
it's all commands. It's
It-
whatever.
It doesn't matter. How are you still feeling productive
Yes,
doing
you
that
feel
thing in 2
productive.
seconds
Listen,
than if you actually
listen,
took your
because-
time and did it the whole
Because
day?
mission accomplished.
No,
Yeah, I
like
know
Mimi,
that.
like I get what you're saying.
yeah,
like
like-
you have to write 10 pages paper, right?
Yeah.
And then AI writes it for you
In 5
in
minutes.
5 minutes, and then you like just try to go in there and
Kids
make
swear me.
some changes. The time that you actually use to write 10 pages paper would not be the same time. You
Yeah.
use for
but
that.
you
I
proofread
understand
it
what you-
though.
No.
After proofreading it, you
But
edit
it's
it.
Either
still-
way,
it still
either way,
means
that's not
you're
the same
using
amount
less
of time.
time.
Way less time.
Yes, you are
So-
not being productive.
True,
in some
yeah.
way.
And the
True,
thing
but
you
you're still
finish, you
productive
proof
though.
because
How?
you
You're
proofread the
productive
thing that.
Because you went in there to
because
Now listen,
Listen.
I understand you, but they are talking about the time.
the
It
time.
saves time, cool, but you're still being productive.
Okay.
Okay.
In a
Okay,
way.
okay,
I
hold
mean,
on,
yeah,
hold on.
that's
In
yeah,
a way. So let's say
To you.
if you were actually supposed to use like 200 miles of gas to go this route, now you're using like 20 miles.
What do I always say? I was.
Oh, my brain.
Oh, I was so productive
No.
today.
It's so
Hey,
productive.
Wait.
Man, yeah, shit.
Why,
Just
Nyeri?
count what you just said. You said use 200 miles to go from point A to point B, right?
Uh-huh.
And you use and you just use something else. Or whatever.
Now you're using 20 miles because you have a faster car or something.
Okay. What about if you use eco? If that make any sense.
Okay.
Like think about it.
Let's
It's the
read
same
some
thing.
comments. There's
It's the
stacking up
same
over
thing.
here.
You
Max
use gas,
Webeler
Put it on eco.
said AI will always make up
Save your
stuff.
gas.
Or hybrid. They say that.
Hybrid. AI will always make up stuff no matter what. That's why you have to specify train your model for a task and not one model for all tasks.
Command.
This guy is here to promote AI. So whatever
it
that
looks
you're
like
about to
it.
say.
Stephen Asari said we as humans are predisposed to be lazy. Our minds are constantly searching for ways to decrease our workloads. Hence
cap.
the risk of over reliance on AI.
That's cap.
No,
think
it's
that's
true
cap?
because
How?
listen, imagine
Who make AI?
Hey,
listen.
He's a manager
It's-
of laziness.
It's not even about. It's not even about.
I don't think it's about laziness
If
either.
you-
Yeah, I don't think it's about laziness
life
either.
is-
It is smartness.
If
Anna,
you even
go
go to
ahead.
the Stone Age,
I
life
agree.
itself-
I agree with him.
they were made. They literally did. What did you call it? Stones.
I
They
think
use stones
humans
for
are just
everything.
always
I know
finding
this,
ways to advance and make our life
Exactly.
easier.
It's to make life easier.
Exactly.
Anything you
It's to
do
make-
is make life easier.
Okay, yeah, that's true. But at the end of the day, it's like we're the one that's creating it, right? So it's like you can't say human beings are trying to make themselves. Why would we make something?
But honestly, I don't think AI is like the intent of the people that made it was like we're gonna make humans lazy.
No,
You know what I'm
it
saying?
wasn't the
Like this is a technological
I think-
advancement. You know what I'm saying? Like this
I know
is
what the idea is.
What-
We are
what
going
was
to
it?
make money off people.
Oh,
Nah,
for sure. I mean,
the
at the end of the day, money's all like it's a business.
And listen, they don't
Money's
care.
always
They don't
in it.
care the damage that is gonna create if they.
As
if
long as
their
they get
bank
their
is-
money.
They
yeah.
do have to
No,
think
I feel
about
like
the
there's
damages though,
no
but we're all
good
gonna get to
done-
the damages in a second.
Done bad with
No,
tech or
there's
AI.
a lot of
There have been a
bad.
lot of
there's
bad,
a lot of
like,
bad, and we're gonna
deepfake-
get into it.
Bro,
There's a lot
like I
of
said, it's how you use it.
That's true.
The whole main thing is about good. The whole main thing is about good. At first, we were using horses. Man, if your horse hasn't eaten, you expect it to run?
I mean,
It's not going to run, bro. It's literally not going to run. So what did man do? Invent a car. I'm not going to use my horse anymore. My horse can rest. You know what I'm saying?
But-
So they went for the car. It's just tech advancement. So from these tech advancements, it went to AI. AI is the easier part of it. That's all.
I kind of see what you're saying because that makes. I see what you're saying because that makes more sense. Because like what he said, that was a good example. Like using a car, like before you have to press your leg on the pedal. Now you can do cruise control.
Yeah, we say automatic. You don't even have to do gear. Yeah.
AI too.
So do you,
Tesla.
Do you what are your thoughts?
Should I read the comments? I have a lot of
Go
comments.
ahead.
Stephen Asara said, however, most people misunderstand that the real value that the real value of AI, period. It is only a means to an end and not the end itself.
That's a good.
He also said AI is not the problem, and I don't think AI will ever take over.
True.
Because it's
AI is
like
not gonna take over.
it's human control.
Yeah.
You have to
Human
put in
made
a
it.
prompt.
There's a lot of bad people in this world.
Listen,
Like I said.
listen, do you know what?
Yeah,
Do you
it's
know
a lot
what?
of bad people to use that tool for bad. I mean, people always use tools for bad. So it's not the system itself. It's people that
water
control it.
is consumed. We need water as human. I can still use that same water to drown you when I put you in the fucking sea, bro.
Watch your back, bro.
So listen.
Okay, go ahead.
AI, I feel like I think AI is gonna take over, but not the entire thing. But most of the things that we do is gonna be controlled by AI.
Facts.
If we keep going,
We're
this
almost
route.
there on Boca.
Yes.
And I think it's really just because like every company is really trying to get into that market because they see literally everybody is integrating into AI, is integrating AI somewhere. So it's like, I need to catch up or I'm going to be left behind. So yeah, at some point, everything will be AI, unfortunately.
Every job has automatic messages.
Yeah. Stephen Asari said people will still be in control, but only the ones that will rise above their own proclivity towards laziness and harness the power
Strong word.
of such a tool.
Bro, you have to break it down. And you know the cool.
But if you want what they
All I want is profane.
Proclaiming.
you put
I went to school in Ghana.
baby.
Or portable.
he also said at the end of the day it all comes down to how and why people use it. He also said, Mimi, do you know that you need to actually think about how to craft your prompts in order to get what you want from the AI agent? Isn't that
Like
what
I
I
said, commands.
That's what I said. Is productivity directly related to the time spent on activity? What's the definition of productivity? It is time spent on activity.
No.
That's how I'm judging
Okay.
it. Isn't the whole point of technology to reduce the time taken to achieve productivity? Ray said exactly. Maxwell said AI will take over majority of things, which will render majority of human useless in the workforce.
Not useless because you still moderate it.
Wait.
But continue.
Can I say something before you go to the comment?
Humans will never be useless.
So I'll take it from when we used to have horses as our means of transport.
Yeah.
Right. Then we have introduction of bicycles, then motorcycles, then we have cars. Now we don't use horses anymore. We use cars.
The Amish.
So
Now we use of our
I was at the part of the world like
yeah, but they like holding this.
it's their decision,
Yeah.
you know. So this is how I see it. There's gonna be a time where everybody is going to shift to AI, just like how we shift from horses to cars, and we're just gonna have few people that can work on cars, and it's gonna be few people.
That's facts.
There's gonna be few people that can work on AI,
That's facts.
and all those that cannot work on cars
We'll switch.
will switch
Simple.
and lose their job. You know where I'm coming from?
Yeah.
So when it gets to that point, right, meaning the car manufacturers are gonna get more money, and the mechanics are gonna get more money. But what do you get?
What do you mean by what do I get?
You the consumer, what do you get?
You're getting to use the product. That's it.
Yeah.
Using the product,
Yeah.
does it bring you money or you put money to it?
You put the money, of course, you put money to everything.
I mean, some AIs are free though.
A lot of them are free.
Wait,
A lot of them.
But not
wait,
to the
wait,
level.
wait. Listen, get to the point where I'm going. So I'm trying to use that as an example towards the AI. So it's gonna be a point where a lot of people are gonna benefit. A lot of people is gonna benefit from it, and it's gonna be the owners the CEOs, and I'll say the mechanics of AI, but we will use it differently. And at this point, we use car to go to work, right? But at this point, AI is actually doing our work, so we don't have a job.
That is true, because I work in tech, and I'm not gonna lie. I remember like back I was in Nigeria, right? I never wanted to do anything medical, lawyer, whatever, because like I felt like back home, I know people that are lawyers and they're selling bread and banana
In Nigeria?
That is.
Oh, Super Eagles? Oh my God, go ahead.
Sometimes I'll let you slide this.
You come to Black Stars. It's really fun. Go ahead.
I'm studying for my Nigerian today, 2, 3, 4. Anyways, like I was saying like I went to school for technology because back in the day, technology was like a big thing. Nobody knew about it. But now it's like AI has everything. Or you need a entry level. You need at least experience with AI technology. You need to know how to run a different program. You know how to use a good Python. That stuff that's like, to me, it's annoying because like it's taking most of the job. Think about it right now. You know in McDonald's right now. Some people could go to the cashier. Can I get a da-da-da? Now you have a coax or whatever they call it. You just type it in. You know what I'm saying? So it's like it's gonna get to a point later in life, AI is gonna take everybody's job, and that's facts.
I feel like it's not gonna take everybody's job.
Well, not everybody, but it's gonna take the common people job.
It's gonna take.
I would say 90%.
It's gonna take the easiest part in a company's job.
Yeah, that's it.
Literally,
like the easy parts.
You think
that
the easy part?
I think the easy parts.
It will take the easy part. Cause listen,
okay, go ahead.
Regardless, right? AI still needs to be moderated.
Okay, on campus, those little robot thingy that brings food or whatever.
Because you also have to understand, it's not always reliable.
True.
Like when it breaks down, you're literally gonna need a human being. Like you said, you're literally gonna need a human being.
You're not gonna lose your job. That's how I feel.
Those things are like.
Well, you're gonna lose your job if you're not like.
If you're a common person,
if you're a common person that doesn't know it, then of course.
Now let me help.
So
you.
meaning people would try and also advise themselves.
But not everybody is in that field though. Yeah.
To make it easy, that's why I use car as example. Do you fix your own car?
I mean, I could learn to. Please, if I wanted to.
Please. No, that's not. Please. If
I could learn to.
So it's gonna be the only mechanics, only the people that have the brains.
I could become a mechanic too if I learned.
But not everybody can be a mechanic though.
So what about those people? What about Mimi, who is into tech, who cannot work on cars?
I can't even do oil change.
He's just unplug and screw.
I see where you're coming from too, but
dread like this.
To me, no.
So it's not just the common jobs. Even in the mechanic aspect, even they will lose most of the jobs in the AI.
Let me back up what Kofi's saying. If you go to like my brother works in Honda dealership, Honda workshop or whatever they call it. They have AI that literally you can't lift a heavy pack.
Yes, like I said.
But you still need AI to help you carry those things in. The car is not like they're pushing, okay, we'll put it on accelerator, it's glue it. No, the AI is literally gonna assemble it together.
Yeah.
And all they gotta do is like paint it or whatever. The little even AI to save car.
They do all the painting.
Exactly.
Have you ever been into these manufacturer companies?
Nah.
Or plant before, like what I'm talking about.
It's all machines.
It's all machines.
They program everything.
Yeah, it's all machines.
So all you do is to stand there. So they have a job. Wait. Yeah, listen.
Honestly,
before we used to have like 600 people to do that job. Now we need 2 people.
Yeah. Cut it. Yeah.
So what happened to the rest?
Rest no.
Vacation now. We are doing spring break.
And that's what you said, it's a double-edged sword because on one side, if it's like a dangerous job and you can find automated. No, if people used to do the dangerous warehouse stuff all the time, you know what I'm saying? So if somebody was able to find a solution for that, thank God. But it's also like, damn, now what are those people about to do?
It's whatever kind of industry you want to do.
Because now even driving, Lana is like, give me an industry that you think is going to be
hospitals,
safe.
Bro.
You think they're going to be safe?
Bro, hospitals, the use of AI is good, but you still need an nurse or a doctor.
Yeah,
you still need.
Wait, your doctor is using AI.
You will still need to be there. Even if you're operating on someone with AI. Even the machine is literally holding silver, no matter.
You still need a doctor to be there.
You still need someone to watch it.
But I want you to know, even the medical field in Pokrano, AI is taking some jobs out.
Which jobs?
Just like I said.
Wait, hold on.
I don't think so. She's a nurse.
Nah, he might not know per se, but no.
But it is. It is.
Think about it.
When it's come to medical billing and stuff, AI is still doing
it's automated now.
Yeah, a lot of things on there now is like you might not know it, but AI is still doing it in a way.
Okay, I have a question.
MRI and all that stuff.
I have a lot of comments too, guys. So let me know when to read.
Mostly AI is doing it.
Biomed for
yes, AI is doing it. So it's not just about pioneering their war. It's not just the injection of the syringe or anything. There's a lot more into it.
Okay, let me ask both of you a question. What's the difference between an AI and someone? I don't know the name, how to put it together, but like, you know how like ChatGPT, if you tell it something to do, it thinks on its own or whatever.
Yeah.
But if you literally put a like
mechanism,
like Tech Now, if you type a program or something, it will go exactly as you go. So what's like for him? What he said, yes, you need a doctor to type whatever you need to do. Like, okay, like you said, billing or whatever, it's gonna put everything, it's gonna fact check or blah blah blah. AI on its own is like, it's gonna be like, okay, if you tell this, create this program, blah 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 blah, it will automatically give you 10,000 ways of.
There's always mistakes on it.
That's what I'm saying.
Always mistakes on AI. Always.
Okay, let's read some comments and get back so
fast.
we can switch to maybe the negatives of it. Ray Wynn Harris said, "Yo, what's up, Kofi K? I'm your biggest fan." He also said that.
Name 5 Kofi K song right now. No, actually, no.
Gun to the head. Gun to the head.
5 Kofi K songs. He will be able to.
Stephen Asari said AI will not take over simply because AI does not have the ability to generate any interest in anything without the help of people.
Literally.
Thank you. We are all here.
Ray Wynn Harris said,
We live to see.
why they have horses than cars. I think he's talking about the Amish people. You have to go ask them.
I mean, that's your own, not to be doing giddy.
Yeah. Max Douglas said, a lot of people get laid off for the corporations to buy more GPU data centers to make them work better and faster. Because you have to, honestly, they have to pay for it, so you know it's not free. And you know when they need to cut budget so they can up the technology,
that's facts.
they cut people.
Yeah,
that's facts.
Maxwell said it won't take anybody's job, but it will automate certain tasks.
Now even drivers are losing their job because self-drive. You sit there.
That's real.
Even cleaners. I don't know if you guys have seen.
Charlie, you don't see how the robot
the robot vacuums.
Yeah.
So you sit there.
Elon has done.
Listen.
We need people that clean.
You're not making
We still need people to.
You're not making sense, Nana. Listen, even let me take it from the military part. Before when we used to go to war,
they could definitely get robots to fight them wars for sure.
Before when we used to go to war with human being with arm, but now it's not anymore. It's drones.
Yeah.
Now, like one person will just be
press button, boom.
Yeah, and just use the pilot ID.
But like I said, he has a job though. He is literally.
Is he? But it used to be.
Yeah, you actually got to fly.
Yeah, but his one is less people.
Yeah.
Less people jobs.
That's the whole point.
So it used to be a troop. So let's say a number of 20. Now we're taking just you.
Yeah.
What happens to the 19? We go home hungry or something?
No, the 19 will also.
The 19 also.
That's what we have. That's why some companies have.
Something
Not always though.
Listen.
Not always though. If they cut you in a company, you're cut. Like now you have to find another job.
No. That's why. No, they keep the old ways and still keep the new ways.
No.
Not always.
They keep the old ways, but they update it.
Yeah.
Like you said, you gotta fly there, but now you have pilot drones. You could be in the comfort of your house just doing joystick like this, and it does what you're gonna do.
But they are still pilots. Literally there. They're still playing.
Let me read my
literally
comment.
there, ready.
Let me
for if AI fails.
Stephen
The
Asari
old ways
said
is going to be a backup. Literally.
corporations will definitely drop people, and that's not good. But at a more in-depth level, the people that will be let will be the ones that don't like the left will be the ones that don't like the valuable skills. He also said a lot of entry-level jobs are being replaced by prompts and models. So in order to survive, you have to keep up. And also, Mimi will eventually figure out that she either need to learn to swim or just get better out drowning. And Ray Wynn said facts.
Just call God. God, I'm coming home.
POG Multimedia said it will take the easy part 100% because AI is dumb.
And that's why you're texting.
Craig said more bullocks. Whatever that means. Maxwell said every field would be affected in some ways for sure.
Every field
doesn't
Richard, hey Richie, he said AI is dumber than y'all be thinking. You tell AI one thing, I'd be like,
no,
that's not what I asked.
But listen, no, AI is very, 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 very complex. You can't just say draw
because
you have to really get
draw cat or just draw regular cat.
I remember like one time I was bored. I wanted to put my friend and another girl together just to troll whatever. Right? You have to go in. Remember that Polaroid picture? You can just say take this two-face and put them in a Polaroid picture. You have to literally describe a background white. They have to hold hands.
Input a command.
You know what I'm saying? It's not like you said. You say something. Oh, can you do this? It's not gonna get exact.
It's
like you
not.
said. You make a.
That's why it's AI.
You made a cover, all right. You didn't just say, okay, I want it to be me looking like this.
Even if you even say,
You have to be in context. Like,
create a girl with someone standing, whatever.
Bro, he been doing a lot.
You can't.
I told you guys.
It won't.
I would be surprised you have an AI girlfriend.
It won't know unless you specify
You really
deeply, bro.
Mm-hmm.
What I say deeply,
like
down
you have to
the
go
latter.
down to the last detail. I know what you're talking about.
Down to the latter, like how you editing, no?
I know what you're
down
talking
to the
about.
latter.
And you know one crazy thing? If you don't have subscription, like as soon as you get like, oh, you cannot upload more.
You have to
You have to pay.
I mean, that is a lot of editing software. Though.
Maxwell said you still have to know what you are doing in order to use AI prompts properly, for sure.
Heavy.
Shakira said, "Hi, dear sister. How are you doing? I'm good, sis."
Wow, maybe
Yeah.
is this your show? Wow.
Raywin
Yeah,
said,
just call you a name.
"Facts."
I haven't heard Kofi. He's ended like, oh,
And
yeah, they're fine.
Raywin said, "What's up, Kofi K?"
Oh my God, name 5
You
Kofi
didn't
K
name 5
songs.
Kofi songs. So let's talk about the loss of skill, data intrusion. We've been talking about a little bit, so let's touch on it real quick before we actually leave. So, do you think we're becoming lazy
Yes.
because
course.
AI does the thinking for us?
Of course, the only thing that Kojo would do is
Listen,
to
listen.
wake
Even
up
from
and-
Adam, life was supposed to be easy. Listen to me.
Hey,
From
hey,
Adam,
hey,
won't be
clip
here.
this,
Even
clip
from
this.
Adam, life was supposed to be easy. God
though.
literally said, "Yo, chill, take care of the animals."
But who will not mess up?
Eve, Mimi,
If you
Mimi
see me
said,
today-
"No, we want to hard work. No, we want to do something
But
different."
also, again, yes, we want a hard work, but then as we gain wisdom, right? So we learn to adapt and build AI.
Bro, life is meant to be easy. So now we are trying to undo what we did.
Mm.
Literally,
But
that's
in a way,
literally it.
but in that
It's
effort,
a-
we are complicating it way
Exactly.
more than we are.
because we have choices. If everybody thinks good,
Mm-hmm.
No,
But
no,
like,
I'm
that's
sorry.
just,
I'm
there's
sorry,
not
but
gonna be.
if you say we are trying to like undo what we did, then take off your clothes because we were naked.
oh no, come on now. Of course not that.
Whoa, pause. Max Weber said, "Man
Somebody
said
clip that.
AI is dumb. In the correct hands is the smartest weapon.
Smartest.
But also in the wrong hands is the deadliest weapon.
Yes.
Think about it.
In
That's
the
what I said,
hands
like-
of a dumb person, yeah, sure, it
Like
won't
people that
be
like to
able
undress
to
man
think
but we'll not
for
talk
you."
about that.
And Steven Azar said, "Eve equals Mimi."
Mimi is the reason why we're in this predicament. Everybody blame Mimi.
Me.
Hashtag blame Mimi.
What do you think?
Just
Think
because
it's
of
making us
Apple,
lazy?
Mimi. Apple.
Not even apple egg. I'm sorry.
Too
That
much,
was good. That was good.
hey, too much of everything is bad, right?
Mm.
So if you let AI make you lazy, that's on you. You
Nana,
have to.
are you listening?
Yeah, continue.
So you have to find. What's your one?
We
Oh, okay.
Hey, Ochoa. Go ahead.
Translator. Thank you.
It's okay.
If I catch you.
Steven Asari also said Adam equals Aziza. And hey, who's this?
Hey.
Atta said hashtag Mimi, hashtag Eve.
Hey,
Hashtag Mimi.
baby,
Hashtag
baby, it
Eve.
looks like they're on
Damn
you
it.
today.
Like-
Like what is going on?
Marcus
Hashtag
said
blame Mimi.
life is Mr. Easy. Facts, bro. Hi, Marcus. How are you? Quadro Stan said using AI is a skill. Lazy people will always be lazy with or without AI.
Fact.
For smart folks, AI makes us more productive.
That is true though. No, that's a great.
I see that perspective for sure. Like, if you're already lazy and now there's AI,
Yeah,
oh,
you're still
child,
gonna
Like some people that don't want to go down and, like you said, creativity mind or whatever.
Ah,
Like, they wanna
fast.
go ChatGPT. Oh man. Oh. I mean,
fast.
What do you want to turn on?
Oh, no, I'm just saying like some
AI
I
can never
heard
make
like
me lazy.
some
Trust.
artists just use AI to just make cover art. Some people
Yeah.
just sit down.
Oh,
really?
yeah. I see
Oh.
what
Yeah.
you're
Like
saying.
if you're lazy, you're lazy.
But in general, do
Yeah,
we
but
think?
like I said, inputting the commands, knowing what to do to the latter.
Exactly.
You can,
Okay,
you can make
okay.
it
You
better.
can input the cover.
But
input
in
the
general,
art.
and this is a question for everybody. Of course, please keep dropping stuff in the comments. We really appreciate it. Are we losing the ability to critically think?
No.
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 Oh,
No.
this one.
AI is all about expanding your horizon.
Yeah. No, I don't use AI just like
I'm
that.
kidding. I'm kidding.
Hey,
AI
hell
is
no.
all about expanding your horizon.
don't
Like,
use AI
you
just like
said,
that.
if you have an idea, you want to bring it to life, but you know,
Aye.
like you can't really, like we said, there's certain things AI can do, but there's certain things AI could bring to life.
Mhm.
So like, it's not gonna make you feel like, oh yeah, you're not getting what you're supposed to get or
Yeah.
whatever. You're still getting it across. It might be a different way, but
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying?
Like
I
even
think-
with the
I think if you say that it's not letting us use our brain fully, that makes sense.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because it's like now AI is taking part of the job. So if our brain was supposed to go 10 times harder, now it's not.
that's not true. I don't agree. It's actually expansive. Listen, no.
I've never seen you so passionate about a topic before. Wow.
It's actually expansive. So listen, right?
I'm gonna
I'm
do
thinking
more
of-
tech ones.
Listen, hold on. I'm thinking of how do I even put this?
Into one thinking.
Wait. I'm thinking of shooting a music video, right?
Mhm.
I have my traditional way of shooting it, right?
Mhm.
and I tell AI to do exactly what I always do, right? And it does it better. I'm like, how? But I told you to do it this way, but I did it better, right? Although there's mistakes, it did it better. I'm like, whoa. So it has literally showed me a different aspect
Perspective of what you're
Of
of
what
it.
you're
So I've
thinking.
learned it. I'm like, oh, okay, so I can put this scene in the abe jim.
Jim.
Fine.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? It's to expand your brain about it. Like I said, it's how you input the command, bro. Literally.
I feel like both of you have a great
So
point.
yeah, I think you
I
said
agree.
exactly
have a
what I
great
said.
point.
You didn't think.
No, you said
Listen,
no. You
listen,
said
listen.
Hey,
Now
hey.
it's thinking, now it's not thinking. Which one is it?
You didn't think to the full.
Mimi.
You didn't think to that part. AI
Go for
actually
it.
you said
supported
it
you.
won't make you think to the fullest. I said
Because
it actually
so
expanded.
right now, based on the
Hey,
example
hey,
that you
don't forget,
gave, right?
At the end of the day, AI will.
Oh no, please continue.
So
conversation.
based on the example that you gave, right?
Uh-huh.
You got relaxed in the middle.
I
And
didn't
let
get
it-
relaxed.
Let
No,
me finish.
that's not what you
I didn't get
It's
it.
like, it's like you didn't think to the fullest, but AI.
Stop.
Listen,
Yeah.
listen to me.
Well,
Listen to me. It's not thinking to the fullest. You have a traditional way of doing something.
He
Let's
was
say-
just
So-
introduced a different
so-
perspective.
So listen,
Yes.
since you have a traditional way of doing something, right? That doesn't mean you should be stuck in there. So at the moment that you're stuck in there, you need AI to come in with a different thoughts or different ideas. That
Okay,
means
okay.
you are
Take-
not.
Listen,
you are
listen,
just
listen, listen.
comfortable.
Hold on,
You're
hold
not
on.
using
There's
your
a question
brain
for
anymore.
you. There's a question for you.
Take this for example, Maba. Take this for example. How you brush your teeth, right?
Mhm.
Simple.
Mhm.
Why would someone say, "Oh no, floss were hot"? And electric toothbrush were hot.
Because if you start to think and be like, nah, I've been doing this. Now I want it this way. If you start
That's
to
literally
think,
what I said.
listen, if you start to think about it. So
Wait,
at
you're
this,
not getting me back.
listen, at this point,
Read
at
the
this
comment.
point, you did not think. You just let AI do it for you.
Okay, no,
we
wait.
are so
AI
lost. We are so
AI
lost.
came up with that
I want-
idea.
no, no,
like,
no, no,
oh,
no, no.
okay.
We don't
No,
get
no,
it.
But
I
he's
would say-
saying, as in, like, okay, in real life, a different human being came up with that idea, but you're still adapting it. You know, you're still using
Listen,
it in a like it's a
To
different
defend
perspective.
what he's saying, let's say you tell AI what's 1 + 1, and everybody will say it's 2, right?
Mhm.
But AI will give you a definition of why it's 2. You know what I'm saying? So like he was thinking like, okay, you want to get it, but I was like, you know what? I have a better idea.
No,
So,
okay.
and
Steven,
wait,
please,
wait,
question
wait,
for you,
Kojo.
Aziza. Stephen, I started said, Aziza, what if it messes
Or
up the
hard dream, bro.
He said, "What if it messes up the video? Will your brain shrink instead of
That's
expanding?"
why I said. Put it-
And then he
the
says that
commands,
what
bro,
kind of
the
experience?
commands.
What kind of
You can just
example
undo,
is this
control, delete.
toothbrush thing?
commands, like I said, how you input it, bro. Literally, that's what
I
I'm trying to
understand
say.
what
Because
you're saying.
AI is always trying to better stuff
better
for
stuff,
you.
so it's gonna-
It doesn't take away. It's always trying to improve something for you.
It-
So you can say create a beautiful girl for me, and
It will add one
it
way.
will create a beautiful girl for you. Be like, nah, I didn't even think about this shit. So I can actually use
Like-
this type of idea to create my own girl.
So
Exactly.
it's
No,
making
no, no.
you see the bigger picture.
Exactly. You could
So it's
create
actually
me a girl.
expanding my brain.
Exactly. No, you could literally say like create me a girl to create this spot. Like
It is expanding your brain to,
Yes,
to the place where you couldn't expand your brain to.
yes,
Why didn't you?
because
Because I just didn't know.
I didn't know
But
it.
he just
I
he just
didn't
wasn't
know.
introduced. We all
I'm
get
not
introduced.
thinking.
Okay,
Now listen, me, I'm not
let's
thinking.
move on.
Lord.
I'm not
You
sure.
know
you know,
everything.
you know,
Listen,
you know, you know,
listen, I'm coming,
you know how.
I'm coming. Your brain, we are not using every full of it.
Facts.
We are not.
Yes, yes.
So
you're
it's
not.
gonna
Yeah.
help me
that's
use
a
it.
great take.
It's
Yeah.
literally gonna help me use it. I don't know. I don't know everything.
Mhm.
But the moment I chip in that idea, AI can branch it into 12 ways I could do it. My brain never knew, and I'll adapt to all those 12 ways. So now I know how to use. Let's say, playing soccer. Now I know how to play soccer this way, that way. So overall, I'm using damn near every brain power I have.
You see, when you got locked down, we say Apple, right?
Locked out.
You
Why did you use your brain?
Why did
you use your brain? Exactly.
What
I-
did you use your brain?
listen. I did explain myself. Listen. I used AI because of the time frame. It's not because
So
I was out of
Still,
ideas.
at the end of the day, you didn't use your brain. You
I
still
did. I still put in
How?
commands as he said.
Okay, I have
Okay.
some
Go-
comments
go-
for
go on, go
Stephen.
on.
They say, Aziza, you for relax. This thing AI no be that serious though. That's what you say. It's that serious, Stephen. Please. Kojo Stanley, hi Stan. Said the shallow mind will the shallow mind will provide prompts that reveals their level of intellect.
Hey.
Stephen Asar said, well said, Aquajustin. So I'm not sure. This is like a huge negative of AI. I'm not sure if y'all know the water usage facts that comes with it. So I'm going to educate you over here. So researchers from the University of Colorado found that training a large model like ChatGPT-3 consumed 7,000 plus liters of fresh water.
Dude,
so that's roughly the amount of water a small town of like 300 households uses in a day.
Wow.
And data centers often pull fresh water from like local rivers, lakes, and taps, the same sources that are used in like everyday households. So people don't have water in certain areas and they're pulling that water to be using for AI. This means that AI expansions puts pressure on the local water systems, especially like in states. So my question is, does knowing AI consumes massive water resources change how you see it and how you use it on your day-to-day? Knowing that literally one prompt could mean that maybe somebody might not be getting water somewhere.
Bro,
You still for using?
It's just
Okay.
where they're getting the water from, bro. If they have an idea to get it from the Atlantic Ocean, to pull it directly from there,
But they're not though. That's
yes, but they could.
So but they're not. So knowing that, will you still use it the same way that you use it?
I'll still use it.
Not the answer, say, "Woo."
Okay. I mean, it could be your water one day too. But
Bro,
what about you
I
guys?
still
This is a
use
question for everybody.
No, I'm shy. Stop. Don't look at me.
Oh my god.
Please, does knowing about the water that you uses and the massive water resources change how you see it?
I feel like, bro, in my take on that, it's always gonna be on. There's not gonna be end to it. If that make any sense.
Mm-hmm.
Like, if you bring, like you said, if you bring a topic to it, there's gonna be a backup counter argument or whatever. So like, no matter how you take it or not, like what you say, like what the guy said, depends on who's using it. So like, some people like they don't have water, but they have like all this. I don't know the name, but those reservoirs like pump water up or something. Like look like wind turbine,
Like
for example.
wells and stuff.
Exactly. Like some people know back home, you have to throw in the well and.
But I must be pulling well when there's water because you people want to be using AI to be doing
Like, who wants to
make
do that?
a music video for me.
Oh, Asembe Ukraine. What?
Cover art.
Cover art.
Like, there's
Me, I don't have water because you want to cover arts.
No, it's just the direction they're going. If they're taking it from,
Like I said, at the end of the day,
like I said, they can.
What
Take it.
about you?
I think they should figure out.
Yeah.
No, I'm saying personally, are you guys gonna continue consuming AI with?
wouldn't.
of course,
I wouldn't.
Of course, no. 'Cause,
I
like,
would.
I would.
Hey, okay.
What I know, baby, what?
From
But
where?
it's just where.
AI
No,
is
what's
like-
the baby or her? Into I didn't tell them money be.
I just
Listen,
tell
it's
them
just where.
they're
I feel
funny
like-
with baby.
I feel like it's just where. I feel like it's just where they're pulling from. That's all.
Would they be?
I just feel like it's just where they're pulling from. Because I mean, come on now, we have so many oceans, bro. I feel like it's just where they're pulling from. That's what I think.
But I understand that. But also, you know where they are pulling it from now.
I'll
so
still use it.
Okay, that's all I need to know.
I wouldn't.
What was the question again?
You said you don't
Like,
No.
would you? Mimi, he wants.
knowing
Wait,
where.
I thought you answered the question.
Yeah,
I
you already did.
I did.
Why are you asking
No,
what
because
the
like
question is again?
I thought what you were saying was a different question, so my brain is life was.
No, like knowing where they pull the water from. Like AI use a lot of water with like just one prompt.
So would you?
And they usually use like local places and things like that because of that. Like it's affecting the water reservoir systems and things like knowing
That's
that.
why the ice is melting and there's more water.
Like
No, global warming is cool.
one prompt to. Look at
Stephen
the
Asar, let's read comments and then one
But
last
look at
question.
global warming,
so we
hunger,
can-
everything. There's
and
always
this-
something going on in life.
Stephen Asar said ChatGPT will always buy into your biases. Biases.
Okay.
Bias. It will provide what it thinks you want from it, and 70% that's not the right answer.
Mm-hmm.
Stephen Asar said we still go use them. He said then we all go die on thirst.
It could be your water one day. You know that.
It's not the water. That's what they're saying. That.
Mm.
My last question to you to end, unless you have anything to say. Where do you draw the line with AI involvement in your personal life?
That's deep.
Where do I draw
Where do you draw the line?
line?
Yeah.
It depends. Depends.
Horizontal line of
Especially as it evolves and it's
Vertical.
easy. Yeah, as it evolves and it gets more like, by itself, and we're starting to get
I feel
more
like-
AI robots and
I feel
where
like
do you
if
draw the line?
guys- Okay, I'm just throwing this in there. Have you guys ever seen that movie Afraid?
I don't think so.
I think so.
You think so? But it's a concept of like you have this AI eyes. It's basically like Alexa, but it does everything for you. It's not like you said you put command. It literally thinks
Because
of
at this point it knows everything.
Exactly.
And
So
that's the
that's-
thing. Like
and-
you've put in so much prompts into it, at some point
it's
It
gonna
might not
act
know
like
everything, but it's gonna
it's
know
gonna think
most.
this is how he knows what's better than you.
Yeah.
That makes sense. Like you said,
For
you
me,
put-
I'll draw the line in relationships. That's all.
I mean-
Human relationships. Human relationships. That's all.
Like you are AI. This is human.
yeah, that's all. I'll just draw the line on human
That's
relationships.
good.
Like it's not gonna tell me how to,
Where's the line for you, Steven? I'm sorry.
how to
Please
know
let us know in the
how to
comments.
feel.
Where's
It's
the
not
line
gonna
for you?
tell me how to feel. It's not gonna tell me how to
I
do
think
it.
I think that makes sense. I agree with that.
That's all.
You said relationships.
Like how to human interaction.
Oh, human interaction.
It's not gonna
Okay.
Also
take
again,
for me.
Also, again, there's a game called Detroit. This literally has AI trying to be human.
Mhm.
So they could literally.
They have like AI therapists now too, as well.
Yeah,
AI therapy.
Oh wow.
Yeah, there's AI for every. Charlie.
People use AI, especially like ChatGPT, as like almost their therapist because they say so much to them. So instead of like feeling like you have to go to a human being who might
and don't judge you or look.
they
at you
go to
crazy.
AI because like Steven said, most of what you feed it is just gonna feed you back what
What you wanna
exactly
hear.
you want to hear 70% of the time.
And that is scary too.
Yeah, that's
You know
scary.
why? Back again, I don't know where these data are going. Who is gonna store these data? Who controls that AI?
The government.
You know,
The government.
No, that is.
It's private entities mostly.
Once again, somebody could hack into that. Somebody could take that and sell your whole life.
yeah.
Yeah.
So it's like I said, it's
So
a
scary.
it's a scary thing, but also
That's
again,
just like I said, if you want to do good with it, you can.
you can
do
buy with it. You definitely can. Like, yeah, people
what about
say
you? Where do you draw the line?
Oh, human relations.
Human relationship,
Yeah.
same thing.
Yeah, back then.
human relationship. Okay, why I say human relationship?
Oh, Charlie, AI know if you talk to me how I feel sleep with my
Yeah.
wife. Like,
Okay. Maybe I'm about good tips saying
Nah,
the
nah,
same.
nah.
Like when I put it in.
Yeah, when I put it in.
I
When I put it in. Put it in. You know, yeah.
listen, something's supposed to be natural, you know.
Yeah, but
let,
like,
let it be that
what
way.
if? What if? Okay, now that's.
Hey.
Because like it's a natural
Bad
way.
conduct.
AI can tell you how to
It can
love
say drink.
someone.
Yeah.
No, it's not
It can,
gonna tell you.
it can because it's
advise
all
you.
in you. Yeah, it can advise you, give you tips. Oh,
Wait,
give her
I don't
flowers,
even listen
give her
to
this,
AI.
Tell it me.
give her that.
I remember one time I was heartbroken. I searched on Google, how do I get back a
Heartbroken.
girl? And it's a give me a step. You have to.
Yeah, it will give you
Left.
tips.
Did it work?
No, it didn't work.
And with that, we are going to end the segment for today.
Wait, I have my last words.
Oh, if I did not go. Okay. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
so I think, listen, I don't hate AI. I love AI. You know how it is funny to you and it's so stressful to you when your dad or your auntie comes to you and be like, hey, can you help me do this on my phone? It's because they did not keep themselves updated with the technology.
Mhm.
So if you do not
Or
adapt
they
to
didn't have the resources.
yeah, if you do
Yeah, or
not
they don't have
adapt
the
to
resources.
AI and learn and advance yourself, few years to come, you're gonna be the auntie.
Mm-hmm. You will
And-
get left behind.
Yes, you'll be left behind. And the case of that time is gonna tell you, I can't believe he cannot figure this out. So that's the future. I never hate AI. I love AI, but just use it right.
Love AI.
Hashtag AI. We love
Signed coffee.
you. We love you AI.
But just use it right and do not use that to do unnecessary stuff like getting people naked and stuff like that.
Stephen Asari said, if it depends, then there's really no line. And he said, of course, you like AI. He was talking about coffee, Kojo.
No.
Go coffee.
Kojo said, when AI does not need prompts, at that point, I'm out. For sure. When it starts being independent by itself,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's when it gets scary.
Yeah.
That's where I draw the line. Like if it's
But
not, I could put it
I need
myself,
control over it. That's all.
Thank you.
Right.
If
I
it's
need
not doing like,
control
I
over
feel
it.
like I should do it. Auntie.
You hit the factory reset button and it's not going.
It's not going like that. You say try again later. Try visit right now.
Poor network.
Customer support. The one.
Because it will get scary if it starts controlling.
Yeah, but like for real. You
So
tell
I
me-
need 100% control.
Alexa, can you take me here? No, you're not going.
Like,
let's go here instead.
like, unless people like turn right, I say go straight. If I say turn right, you say I say,
Like-
who's driving me or you?
Yeah.
You continue.
Alexa, can you please order me
No,
McDonald's?
with
No,
the-
you
want
fat. Go to
salad.
the
I
gym.
feel like that's why people are so scared of like the Tesla
Yeah,
self-driving
self-driving,
one.
yeah.
Because you really like I'm watching that GPS
yeah, bro.
like crazy.
Bro, people be
Bro.
saying like they do what's it called, self-driving. All of a sudden, it's not working anymore. Hey, I remember there was a time
and
I
they'll
was
lock the door.
You lock the door.
Software update.
Like I trust
You have to
AI.
update it,
I trust AI, but not into driving, bro.
That's why
I trust AI, but
I
not
think we
into
tried it.
driving.
Do you remember
What?
when we went for a test drive?
It's
Tesla.
in like Arizona.
Yeah,
it was crazy, bro.
Yeah,
There's a
I
lot
trust
in
it, but not into
Arizona.
driving, not into
I don't
flight.
trust it. Like you said, when he
All
has
of
a
that.
brain of his own,
Light is
that's the
already-
line.
AI.
Not really. People are behind it. There's a reason why people are behind it.
What?
Oh,
Flying.
after
Oh, flying.
just to monitor it.
Yeah.
After he takes off,
All those autopilot are cool, but still, I'm watching the skies. Whatever. I
Some
can
driving fine. It will just stop and lock the door. We're not going nowhere.
Yeah.
So let's I don't know if after the park I'm going to show you. There's a video that I saw. This guy literally was driving. He was driving a Tesla, and his car kept turning right, but he's not trying to turn right. So he's literally grinding on the wall.
What?
So as other cars coming, so his car just. That's why I said like at the end it depends. Some AIs are like when it gets to a point like you start thinking it's like something like a glitch. Somebody can hack into it.
Yeah.
Right.
You don't have Charlie you're driving doing 85 an hour. Charlie, you're chilling in the back seat. Brake. What do you mean brake?
Literally.
So it's like that's scary.
Yeah,
like,
it can fail at any time.
I feel like
Never
there's
trust
a
it.
Black Mirror episode on this. I don't know
no,
if you
they
guys watch
definitely
Black
probably is.
Mirror.
Yeah.
They definitely
They
probably
do
is.
so good of like
Because no,
these type
it's
of
scary,
videos,
bro.
for
Like,
sure.
You'll be tapping your brains now. Now
You can say
software
that,
update. That is the new version.
You can say, please try again.
Steve said
Access to that.
technology. Yeah,
Access to
technology.
that.
Yeah. He also said, remember to add please to your prompts so when AI takes over, it will remember.
Yeah,
You
like
know,
expressive.
with this, you know what's funny? Like my friend actually, like literally last week, her job told her had a session and they're talking about make sure you say please to your AI prompts.
Why?
Why?
I really don't know.
Actually,
Like that was like she literally told me
AI
like
take
why
over.
didn't my job just tell us to say please to
Because
AI.
it keeps growing. It will start to develop a brain
more
of itself.
intelligence. Like
If people,
Okay.
companies start to actually build it up, that's why they said they have ChatGPT 4.0 or something.
Mm-hmm.
There's going to be a time ChatGPT itself will have its own brain and to keep updating
Okay.
itself. We didn't need humans to update it.
you guys
So it
watch
becomes
movies?
an entity on its own, which is risky to some point. Because if it's making decisions on its own with no human inputting nothing, then
It's a thing.
How are we
It's
better
spitting
than-
out
Nana,
information if we're not putting it in a
even the human doing
Listen,
the input, I don't
after
trust
all,
that human.
listen. the way that
Oh, you're saying like originally.
Yeah, like
Yeah.
they're gonna create it to the point where because everyone wants to make life easy. Why am I always
Nana.
putting data into it for it to do this? Nah, automate your own thing, create it, be your own self, be your own entity. Then
So I can lay off these workers.
yes, so
Victor-
after
Victor
it
Franklin,
creates
Abi.
its own, it
Save
becomes
some
its own
money.
self, its own brain, and now knows good and bad.
I mean, yeah,
I
that's
don't
you.
think we're ever
No, no,
gonna
no.
get to that point where we
It
playing
can.
God. I don't
It
know.
No,
literally
that's. I don't know if you
I
guys
don't
watch
think so.
movies.
It's not even fiction. Fiction have literally
No, it's gonna happen.
It's gonna happen.
movies have
Yeah,
done
it's gonna
that,
happen.
but it's real.
I don't
Mimi,
think so.
okay,
Mia,
okay,
it's
it
gonna
is,
happen.
It's real.
It
I don't
is.
think
Mimi,
It could
it's
happen.
real.
It is.
But okay.
I was gonna tag on to what you
I think
saying.
it's already there.
It's already starting because
It's starting.
Think about it.
It's there, bro.
GPS now, for example, if you're saying it's going to see traffic, it's gonna tell you.
But that's because
it's
of
gonna
what we
recommend a route
inputted
say
into
6,
that,
7
though.
minutes.
Someone input.
He already
Yeah.
thought about it.
Listen, now they are gonna let it think for itself. Is what I'm
But
trying to
like
tell
you said, people are still like people still input things in there. No,
No,
like we
not all the
update.
time.
That's what an update is.
Mia,
Listen,
they are gonna.
Isn't
give
that
it-
what an update
Yeah,
is?
but
You
it's
know-
a software that
you know
writes its
your
own
phone-
software.
Mimi,
You know what I'm
you
saying?
know your phone pushes self updates.
Yeah.
Tell me why.
Why?
You automatically
Don't
does-
people
E-brace,
don't Apple
E-brace.
actually like send out an update?
No, they
E-brace.
do it.
So it's telling me the phone like
phone
writes
knows.
all updates itself.
Mimi,
The phone
e-brains,
knows.
I need
e-brains.
a fact. We need a fact check because I don't.
If it needs to update,
E-brains.
I need to fact check this because I
know
don't
if it
know.
needs to update itself.
Yeah.
But I'm saying like when it pushes out like updates like every year, Apple don't push those updates out.
Listen,
Somebody don't write those updates to go through the fix the bugs and push that
Somebody
update
do
out.
write it. Somebody do write it. But also again, if you notice in the update, right, it's gonna give like two choices. Like you could like keep it the way you want to keep it, or you could literally like I said, somebody patched
Yeah, that's
or
just me
software,
though.
but that software is writing its own software. If you think
Yes.
about it, like if you search on Google right now, it's gonna give you AI over real. Like it will summarize basically what you're looking for. So that software what you just typed in right now, Google's AI, so we all know that.
they will.
But now they already have AI to
Yeah.
write another AI.
Yes,
Yeah.
literally, they'll create it to be its own self entity, but there's still a but. There's going to be a fail safe system whereby if it takes control of something, you can easily drop
Deactivate it.
So if you go and that button is not working,
Charlie, go.
It's always going to work. 'cause
Like-
that button is human.
Yeah, that's what I'm
Human this
saying.
thing.
when me
Anyway,
house now, in fact, we are cooked.
Yes, but it will always.
like
At the end of the day, there's always going to be a human thing in there,
That emergency
Yes.
break. Yeah.
bro.
well, this has been lovely. Thank you to everyone who joined us today on here and on there. It's been a lovely conversation, and we hope to see you again in 2 weeks to talk about something juicy. Bye.
Alright.
Big up to
See
34.
you guys.
Or we need
You will rise, moving with that wind like a kite. But my mind is fortified. In my room all alone, I like to stay in my zone. And that's how I build my bones. Shall that be my own? Life written like a poem. My wish I be moving on. No physical, my heart is home. My heart is so. Express your thoughts. I go express my own. If you express your own, I go express my thoughts. Express your thoughts. I go express my own. Make you express your own. I go express my thoughts. Express your thoughts. I go express my thoughts. Make you express your thoughts.